Hi friends, it's me, Silly Miss Lily.
And Taylor.
And today we're over at Scenic Helicopter Tours in Sevierville, Tennessee, and we get to ride in a helicopter. It's gonna be so much fun. Come on. Pilot Paisley, can you hear me?
Yes.
We're ready to take off. Let's get the propeller going.
This is gonna be like, don't press that may just fly for it.
Okay.
Wheels.
Okay. I wonder if there's anyone here who could help us and maybe show us around a little bit. Oh, what? Handyman Hal!
Oh, well, hey there! Oh, Miss Paisley, how are you?
Pretty cat, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. Hey, Miss Lily, how are you?
Hello, it's so good to see you.
It's good to see
I can't
you
believe
guys.
you're here.
Yeah, of course. Just
Can
working
you-
on this helicopter.
Really? Oh, I bet it takes a lot of work.
Oh, yeah. Helicopters do take a lot of maintenance. They sure do well. To keep things safe, of course.
Of course, safety
Yeah.
first. Could you show us a little bit of some of the things you're working on?
Oh, wow, well, of course. I'm actually working on the engine today. This is a really cool jet engine. Sure is.
Whoa. Oh, and it's on top of the helicopters. On cars, they're kind of in the front.
That's right.
Here, they're right on top.
Absolutely. And
Wow.
of course, the engine is what spins the propellers, right?
Of course.
Is that the
Absolutely.
propeller up there?
And what about the rotor blades?
Oh, yeah, that's what they are. You see, they're actually attached to the rotor head. Yep, and this one actually has 4 blades.
Whoa, I wonder why some have 4 and some have 2. Do you know?
Oh, I do, yep. For this one, having 4 blades means they can do a lot more maneuvers in the air.
Whoa, like helicopter tricks?
Yes, like helicopter tricks.
Ooh, that's so cool.
So, in order to do that, we have to make sure those blades are nice and safe and maintained, right? We get to use some really cool tools.
Yeah, let me see that. I'd
Come
love
over
to
here.
see it. Come here.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you want to climb on this so you can see?
Oh, yeah, that's perfect. Check out all these cool tools.
Oh,
Of
wow.
course, we have wrenches and screwdrivers, but in order to maintain these blades, we have something called a torque wrench.
Whoa.
Right? Oh, can you hear it? Mm-hmm. That's pretty cool.
That's clickety, clickety, click.
Absolutely. Now, this torque wrench has to be at certain degrees and everything. This one is for the tail rotor. It tightens the bolt on the tail rotor just to a certain degrees because it has to be perfect, right? Absolutely. And then we have one more. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Check this one out. Whoa. Wow. And look. It's as tall as you are.
Whoa.
Do you know what this is?
What?
This is another torque wrench. Yep, now this doesn't work. The tail rotor blades, this is for a different blade. What do you think this one's for?
The rotor and the back rotor.
Not the back ones.
The front rotor blade.
Yeah, the big ones on top. Absolutely. It's big, isn't it?
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Ooh, you're strong.
So we have to make sure that everything is nice and safe and everything is secure and nice and tight.
Wow, it takes a lot of work to keep this thing safe.
It sure does.
And what about the really big blades? When they fly, does the wind ever bend them or move them?
Absolutely. You're gonna hear one coming in now. Oh yeah, check this out. This is a really awesome tool.
Whoa.
That actually bends the tab on the blades.
Oh, I see over there.
Yep. And we attach this to the blade, and then we can tell just what the bend is going to be on degrees. Do you see that?
So if my arms were the blades and it was like this, you could bring the tool over
And we can bend.
and even it out.
Absolutely.
Because I don't want to fly winky wonky sideways, right?
Absolutely.
We want to make sure they're straight.
We want to make sure that our flight is nice and smooth.
You ready to hop off? Wow.
I just want to see the front
Yeah, of course.
Well, come on over. We can see the front for sure.
Yeah,
without,
could you show us?
without like
Oh, let me
fluff.
grab a tool.
Oh, of course.
Oh, I would like to show you something. Come here.
Yeah, let's go see.
I'll show you this right here. Now, this is what you call the nose of the helicopter.
Nope.
Yep. Oh, and you know what that is? That is an air gauge. Yep, air goes in that tiny little hole right there, and it tells us the airspeed.
Oh,
Not
wow.
technically how fast we're going, but it tells us the airspeed of us flying through. Isn't that cool?
So we know how fast the air is going?
Absolutely. Now, do you know what's under a hood of a car?
The engine.
The engine. What else do you think is a part of that engine? What helps?
Some tubes and gas.
Exactly. Now, what helps start the engine up? What do you think? What do we have? Something that gives us the power and electricity to charge everything up.
Kind of like when you're doing your circuits, you know how when you have to put something...
Batteries.
Yes! And guess what? There's a battery at the front of the car, and now here is the battery for the helicopter.
Oh!
Yeah. We've got to make sure that these are nice and charged, ready to go. Absolutely, and this one's good to go for today's flight.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Handyman Hal, what's this part that the pilot gets to sit in called? Do you know, Paisley?
It's actually called the cockpit.
Oh, the cockpit.
Yeah, come
Should
on,
we go
you
in?
want to crawl in?
Come on.
I'm not doing the flight. I just want to press a few buttons.
All right, Miss Pilot.
Oh my gosh, look at all these little papers.
Oh,
what do
maybe
you
they're doing
think?
crafts in there.
Yeah, it's like you're the pilot of this
And
helicopter.
look at that.
Oh,
Look at those
yes.
papers. What are they
yes.
for?
Well, we've got to make sure that we keep everything in check. We have to have a check-off list. Absolutely. Now, you've got a really cool thing in your hand right there. That is called the cyclic. Can you say that? Can you say cyclic?
The cyclic.
That's exactly right. And that's what helps the plane go forward. Yep, that's what gives us our thrust.
The plane.
Oh, you're right. That's exactly right. It's a helicopter. Now, you have some pedals down there, too. You know, like cars, they have a gas pedal and a brake pedal. Yep, but those are actually operating the tail rudder. We've got gauges that tells us our altitude, how high we're in the air. Yep, It's pretty cool, isn't it? Oh, yes. See?
Handyman Hal, you might know this. So I know that the propeller and the top blades help us go up, but what helps us not spin around?
Exactly. That is the tail rudder. Yeah. The tail rudder blades back there, they help stabilize the helicopter so we don't spin around.
Wow, and you know what I was also thinking? You know, an airplane, they need that long runway to get their speed and get the lift to rise up. But a helicopter doesn't need that, huh?
Nope,
How come?
Right here in the center, it looks almost like an emergency brake in a car.
Yeah.
This is what you call the collective. And when you pull up on that, that is what lifts the helicopter straight up in the air.
Wow.
Yep. So we don't need a big long runway. We need a pad.
Wow.
Just a little helicopter pad and lifts us right up.
That's what makes helicopters like little helicopter heroes, because they can go up and land in smaller areas like a mountain or a cabin and really get somewhere to save someone or help someone. They can just lift up and land.
Absolutely, and what's really, really cool about this helicopter, this helicopter is used for fire rescue sometimes too.
So
Absolutely.
important.
Yes,
right.
they actually have a water bucket that can attach to the bottom.
Whoa, like a pulley system but with a water bucket?
With a big water bucket.
Oh, goodness.
Yep, of course we've got to be safe. There's fire extinguishers in here and your seatbelts.
Oh, you know how we love to buckle our buckles.
We got to make sure that we put our seatbelts on for sure.
Wow.
Can I tell Handyman Hal about our buckle episode?
You gotta tell them
We
everything.
do have an episode, and it's all about how to teach kids how to buckle their seatbelts.
That is really important. As I always say, safety first.
Yeah.
Absolutely. This is a pretty cool cockpit, isn't it? You think you could be a pilot one day?
Who knows?
Who knows? That's exactly right. All kinds of cool careers that you can have. Flying helicopters and airplanes and fire trucks and all kinds of cool stuff. It's a grasshopper.
I want to catch it. Got it.
I think she's got it.
Oh. I want to help you.
Oh, I got on you! Oh, here you go. Oh, he's fast. We can get him again. Ready? You wanna help me? Yeah. I need your help. Gotta scoop him up gentle. Ready to see him? He might jump out again. He says hello.
Hello.
Oh, now we're friends. Oh!
See that grasshopper?
Big grasshopper. Oh, you can do it. Gotta be quick, don't we? Eat him. You can do it. Oh, good job.
Oh.
Here, You got it. Good job. Whoa, look at it.
Oh, wow, Alex.
We get to go do that? Oh,
That's gonna be us in a little bit.
I'm so excited.
It's Miss Lily.
Hi.
Oh, and her daughter, Miss Paisley. How are you? That's great.
Are you excited? We're gonna go on a ride today with Handyman Hal and Awesome Alex.
Yay.
Excited to go up, you guys.
Come on, let's get in. Oh yeah. Here we go. Whoa. Just like a car door.
Whoa, how cool.
Wow, this was so much fun. Thank you so much for spending your time with us and exploring with us. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you're looking for more of our videos, make sure to search for Paisley's Corner with Silly Miss Lily.
And Paisley!
And we'll see you then.